when you need to format a document accordingly, normally first you should make a table of contents. But before making a table of contents, you should have a better understanding about the document structure. So here I have a document structure of a research document. So we have the declaration and the table of contents, list of tables, chapter 1. Likewise, we have several things. So then, before making the document, we should add page numbers and the header and footer. So let me first show you how you can add page numbers. So you can go to the insert tab here, and here you have the option called page numbers. So if you click this drop down, you can select where the position you would like to position the page numbers. So I prefer the bottom of page. So let me go and select this one, page number 1. So now you can see, you can see the page number here. So after adding the page number, you should press the close header and footer option. Now, since we have only one page, we have only one page number. Then how to add other pages? You can simply do something like this. So for the declaration, I'm going to add the first page. So declaration, I certify this is my own authentic work. What's the first one? Then I'm going to press enter like this. Otherwise, you can do something like this. You can just press enter here or just click here and go to the insert blank page option. If you click this blank page option, now you can see here authentic work, now a blank page, right? So you can use the declaration, I certify my work, blank page, then the table of contents. So here also I'm going to press the insert blank page option, table of contents here. Then for the list of tables, again a separate page, list of tables. So if you zoom it out, so how to zoom out? There are two ways. You can use this manual handle here. Otherwise, while holding the control, you can rotate the mouse wheel up and down. Table of list of tables. Then here's a empty page. So let me use the backspace to add the list of tables here. Then here also again a blank page. So let me use the backspace. Then list of abbreviations, again click in front of here and give the blank page option. List of abbreviations, and this is not need. Then there's a introduction section, so press enter, then press blank page, introduction. Then the problem statement. Otherwise you can just do the enter key to navigate to the other one. Problem statement. Then problem statement and literature view, I will keep it in the same page. And for the chapter 1, I'm going to move it over here, chapter 1 overview, data collection. And for the chapter 2, another new page. And finally for the references, the final page. Now I have structured my topics: references, chapter 2, chapter 1, problem statement, literature view, introduction, list of abbreviations, list of tables, table of contents, and the declaration. So for this one, I need to add a cover page. So how to add a cover page? You can go to the insert and here cover page. You can select whatever the style you want. I prefer this one, so I'm going to select it. So here you have the cover page as the first page. Document title, your name, likewise. So it's my name here. So here document title we will edit it as research report example. So this is my document title. Let's save it. So I don't need these things anymore. I'm going to select and delete. That is text. Then I should add a table of contents and the header section. So how to add the header section? Go to insert again, and here we have the header section, not the footer one. So if you select the header, you can select this blank option, and here you can type the text you want. I'm going to type it as research report. Then press this close header and footer option. Here we can't see the header because of this color, but if you go to the second page you can correctly see it. Here if you double click over here, then also you can edit it. Then press close button. Now with the other pages also it has been saved, page number and the title. For the table of contents, we are not going to generate it manually. We should add heading styles first for the document. Then we can automatically generate the table of contents. So let me go to the home tab. For the list of tables, I am going to click over here in front of and select the heading one. So since this is a main heading, and since the table of contents is also a main heading, I am going to select this one and press the heading one. Now if you see here, it's automatically adding numbers: 1 table of contents, 2 list of tables. Then list of abbreviations, main topic, heading 1, introduction, heading 1, problem statement, it is a subheading under introduction. You can press heading 2, and if you want you can move it to the first page with the introduction page like this. If you need to remove this one, you can select it and select the normal option from this drop down. There's a one called normal. This one, normal. Now it's a ordinary one, not a heading. You can adjust it like this and give the heading 2 option, problem statement. Then come back to the new page for the literature review. Literature review is the main one. Select heading 1, chapter 1, main heading. Click in front of it and select the heading 1 option. Chapter 1 overview, go and select heading 2, chapter 2, heading 2, chapter 2, heading 1, chapter introduction, heading 2. Then the references, main heading. That's it. Then how we are gonna create the table of contents page automatically. So here I have the table of contents. I'm going to click over here. Then now I'm going to click the references tab. References tab. Select it, and here we have option called table of contents. This one. So here we have couple options, but make sure to select the automatic table. Automatic table 1, automatic table. Here we have several styles. Style doesn't matter, but check for the automatic keyword. So I'm going to select automatic table 2. If I click on this, here you can see it has been automatically generated. Table of contents. Table of contents. If you want, you can remove this heading and this uneven. Right, then you can place it in the first page. If you made a mistake, you can remove it. Just click over here and go to the reference and table of contents and remove table of contents. Now we don't have the table of contents. Now let me add some space over here. Then I'm going to remove the style for the table of contents, normal, then delete it. Then go to the reference tab, table of contents, and select this automatic table 1 option. Now it's better. So you can edit it as table of contents. Now you have the table of contents. So the speciality of the table of content is, while holding the control, if you click on one of this link, it says to click using control plus click. If you click control plus click, you will be navigated to the correct page. So now I am in the reference page. If I need to go to the chapter 1, control plus click. Now you are in the chapter 1 page. It's page number 7. Likewise, you can format. Last thing is how to export it as a PDF. So you should go to the file and go to this export option. Here you have the create PDF XPS option. So click that. Then publish as PDF for XPS. So you should select the file location. So I have a separate folder called IT162A2. So here I am going to save it as research report example 1. Then I am going to give the publish button. Wait a moment. Then if you go inside the file, here you have the file research report example 1. So double click it and you can open it. Now you have the cover page and the declaration, and here the table of contents and the other chapters with numbers and page numbers with the header section. Now what's the speciality of this document? If you go to the contents, table of contents, without holding the control, just click over one of the link. Now you can see, you can come to the correct page. So that's the beauty of adding heading styles and creating a table of contents. So I have sent you a document, unit test 1 tech startup business plan. So here also you should format this document accordingly and add a cover page, new details, and the table of contents and other headings. So please complete it.